Wagwan man, it's your girl Natalie, and today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect appetizer for your next 4th of July party. It's simple and delicious. It's a combination of bacon, water chestnut, and pineapple, and a little bit of sauce. Come join me. I went ahead and preheated the oven to 350 degrees. Now I need to cut my bacon in thirds. So you want to wrap your water chestnut with the bacon. I have the slice, so I'll be using 2. If you have the whole chestnut, you can use 1. And you wrap it. Add your pineapple and your toothpick. Poke it. Then put it on your roasting pan so that the oil can drain. Now that we have completed everything, we will place in the oven for 45 minutes. While that is cooking, we'll go ahead with the sauce. First, we want to add 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of Heinz chili sauce, and we will whisk until mixed. It's been 45 minutes since they've been in the oven. Now I'm going to add them to the baking dish and add the sauce that I previously made. Now we will add this, or put this back to the oven, in the oven, for another 45 minutes. It's been 45 minutes and I will put it down to set for another 10 minutes. Perfect. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If Nat can do, so can you.